Guys, thanks again so much for joining us. Thank you guys so much for joining us. You, right there. Thank you for watching. If you haven't clicked on that follow button, please click on the follow button.
How you doing?
Doing okay. 46 out of
You wanna call
111.
me up so I can wave?
Yeah, you want to say hi to everybody?
It's a wave.
Okay. Okay, you're up. There's
Okay.
a little Eximois wave. One more? One more? Okay, so yeah, we'll make the fold here. Guy Pie coming in with an open limp, gets the bony fish. They're all going to have bony fish, guys. They're all going to have bony fish at the end of this. We're going to put Donkey. So far has been playing pretty good, but also pretty aggro. So we'll give him the bull. I wish there was something that we could get Poker Babe where it indicates kind of a lapdog is what we need.
Hey, Money Girl had a question about once you're out of a hand there. Let me see what you...
I don't think that's Money Girl, it's Money
Oh
Girl.
my god, are you out of this hand?
Yeah, I'm not playing this.
Okay, this looks like an interesting development happening though.
Jesus. Oh my
Oh,
gosh,
God.
Poker Babe. What
Oh
the
my
fuck
God.
is going on here, you guys?
Do it, Penguin, do it.
What is going on? Oh my gosh, this is the craziest thing. Oh wow. And Poker Babe is way ahead, you guys, right
Oh my
here.
God,
I'm
do it,
telling
Penguin.
you, Poker Babe has a huge hand.
Oh my god, what does Penguin have?
Oh, Penguin's doesn't have anything. Penguin is just laughing his ass off at this because this is just retarded stupid.
Really, guys? Really?
Aces, yeah. Of course Poker Babe has aces. Why wouldn't Donkey come along for the ride with 8-3 suited?
Oh my
Of
god.
course Donkey comes along with 8-3 suited. Fifth ace actually flops the set and is all really happy until the end. Or Poker Babe just
Wow.
yeah.
That was the most awesomest hand.
That was the lamest thing I've seen in a long time. Oh my god. This
That's
is why they all had bony fish.